With Workday Adaptive Planning, managers at all levels of the organization can quickly view and compare property performance across the company. In this report, we are looking at actuals for January with a mix of metrics at the top and financial information at the bottom. To see more detailed information, we can quickly just expand the income and expense categories to reveal more detailed information. Also, notice the conditional formatting for occupancy and RevPAR. This report is for January only. To use the report across all months, we can simply modify the report and parameterize time. Time is now linked as a parameter and a filter, and if we rerun the report, we will now see time as a parameter at the top that we can select from. Now we can view this report for any month very easily by just selecting it.